Hey guys, RunnerMan0 here, and this is my new cousin. Her name is Madison, and she's eating her hand.
Big yawn.
Epic yawn. Look at the baby.
She's trying to get you.
Are you trying to get me? Say hello. Hello. Go, 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 go. Oh yeah, and look at her nice bracelet. Can I get you to smile? Can I get you to smile? You want to smile? Fine, be mad at me. Oh, slobbery hand. Ew. Nasty.
That's not nasty. Oh, here comes the Tinko. No, don't get
Don't get me. I'm not getting you. Please.
But look, now I'm saying Tinko is coming towards her, and he can have this like this.
Yeah. You will, baby. You're gonna smile.
Don't get me.
You're gonna smile. Why ain't she smiling? Smile. She's mesmerized by light.
I had her like laughing a couple times last night.
You did?
Yeah, it was so cute. Like I've never heard her laugh before.
Well, make her laugh. Make her have poopy diapers.
No, she's trying to run over.
You trying to roll over? Are you too slow?
On her tummy, she'll...
Don't put her on her tummy. She'll just bury her face in the pillow.
Lift your head up.
Blah, 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 blah.
It's kind of hard. Still working on the head. There we go. There we go.
So cute. She still wants to put her face in the pillow. Ga 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 ga. But anyway, she's mesmerized by light. So when she sees a light, she stares at it and doesn't look at anything else. Are you mesmerized by lights? Are you mesmerized by lights? Oh yes, you are. Oh, eat the blanket. Eat the she's trying to use her head to drag her towards the camera. Oh, she's hiding her smile. Oh, stop hiding your smile. Look at me. She's screaming at me now. Go, 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 go. You're so cute.
Oh!
She did it.
Yeah, she did.
Right after you changed her diaper, too. I bet she has
Right,
poopy diaper.
Over.
Do you have poopy diaper? Do you have poopy diaper? Yeah, you have poopy diaper. Oh, the baby feet. A goo 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 goo. A ga 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 ga. You want my finger? You want my finger? Ow! Madison bit my finger. Oh wow, that's funny.
Charlie!
Charlie!
My finger!
Ow, Charlie! My finger!
No. No, I'm just kidding.
Shut up. Ow! Don't hit me.
Please shut up.
Action shot. Blah blah. Action shot. Goo 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 goo. No! Don't grab the camera strap. Naughty. Don't eat it either. Eating is not a good thing. Yawn. 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 Oh, fine. Hit the camera. Let's zoom in on her. Oh, yeah. Action shot.
You're like, no, keep recording.
Mom, was that you? Are you sure? Because it sure sounded like one of your two.
No. No, but you're like, action shot. And then then all of a sudden...
Madison made a poo-poo, and you're wasting diapers. Yes, you are. We could have kept the other diaper on. Me. Stop wasting diapers. Oh, she's smiling. And now she's...
Yeah, action shot.
I was all action shot. Oh, Mom, was that you? Man, that doesn't sound like a baby fart. Butt shot. Face shot. No. Cosmo's I feel rejected. Doobie-doobie-dee. Who's a little ga-ga-ga? Oh, you sneezed. She tooted and sneezed. She did that yesterday. That's the second time in your life you sneeze farted. Good job. Celebrations. Celebrations. Eat your hand. Full of protein. Go. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video with a go.